pretty much the home screen of the application. Very, very simple layout. And do make sure allow the notification and all those permissions needed for the application to work. So as you can see at the top here, will tell you the weather of the location, weather of your location where you're at. If I do tap on it, as you can see here, and also you can see the forecast of your day, pretty much everything, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., everything that will be happening throughout the day. As you can see here for Wednesday, or pretty much Thursday here, as you can see, rain should be start falling 4 a.m. today. And as I can see, pretty much everything throughout the week. So you'll be getting a forecast for 10 days. So if you do tap on the 10 days option, you can see the weather forecast up to 10 days, which is crazy. And also, if you do tap on the no option, do give you an update for now. So here down here you have here you breathe. We'll just give you information on that. Any lightning nearby as well, the wind speed and so forth. Any fire alerts will give you information on that. Also the sun positions will give you information on that. So nothing that much for this application. We'll just keep you up to date as it relates to the weather, the forecast, and pretty much basic stuff. Nothing much. So do make sure you allow your location so you can know where exactly you're at. But if you want to get a forecast for a different location, you can tap at the top here where your location should be, and you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. And if I miss anything at all in this tutorial, please comment below. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.